है ये माना, मगर छोड़ कर राह में जाओगे तुम अगर, छीन लाऊंगा मैं आसमां से तुम्हें, सुना होगा ना ये दो दिलों का ना।
So the chapter plants, it is all about plants, okay, parts of plants and everything. So we have got that plants are everywhere, on the earth, under the water, wherever we will see, we can see plants are everywhere. So parts of plants, like our human body has different parts, plants are also having different parts, like leaf, flower, stem, roots, fruit, bud. These are all the parts of plants. Roots are under the ground. Okay, it binds the plant. It gives nutrients and water to the plant. It takes the water from the soil and it gives to the plant. Next we have got stem. Stem, it is above the ground. It gives support to the plant. Okay, some stems are very strong and some stems are weak. Stems are of two types. Some stems are strong stems and some are weak stems. Next, another part is leaves. Leaves leaves are mostly what? Green in color. Okay, they are of different size, different shape. Their colors are different. Some are light green, some leaves are deep green, and it makes the food for the plant. Next, flower. Flowers are also of different types. Their colors are different, sizes are different, shapes are different. Fruit, it is another part. Fruits are also, all the fruits are not of same type. Some means their colors, size, shapes, everything are different. Next, another part is seed. Okay, seeds are present inside the fruit. Some seeds are bigger in size, some seeds are small in size. Some fruits are only having one seed, some fruits are having many seeds. Alright. Next, the topic we have got that how do plants make food. Like you have got leaves are making food. So how leaves are making food? Leaves contain a green color substance, okay, that is called chlorophyll. That chlorophyll, it helps to prepare the food for the plant by using this carbon dioxide, water, nutrients, soil, sunlight. It takes all these things and helps the leaves to prepare the food for the plant. So this process, by collecting this, the process of collecting air, water, sunlight, and preparing the food for the plant, this process is called photosynthesis. All right. So you have got the chapter. So now you take out your book, pencil and eraser, and we will start writing the book exercise. All right. Okay. So take it out. Okay. So everyone ready with your books? Okay. Now, first you see the book exercise. First one is fill in the blanks. So here these blanks are there and options are given. We will select the correct option and we will write it here. Okay, so number 1, the dash bind plants to the soil. Leaves and roots. Two options are given, leaves and roots. So correct option is roots. The roots bind plants to the soil. So here we will write roots. You write, okay? R double O T S, roots. Okay? Next, the dash gives support to the plant. Fruit, stem. So which gives support to the plant? The stem gives support to the plant. Okay, because fruit, it is a part of the plant. It doesn't give support to the plant. So stem. So here we will write stem. S-T-E-M, stem. Okay. Next, fruits contain dash seeds, flowers. So which is present inside the fruit? Seeds or flowers? Seeds. Seeds are present inside the fruits. So here we will write seeds. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Next, The process through which leaves make food is called dash. Chlorophyll, photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is present in the leaves, but the process through which leaves make food, that process is called photosynthesis. So here you will write photosynthesis. 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 Next, plants release dash during photosynthesis. What does plants release? Carbon dioxide or oxygen? Plants release oxygen, and that this oxygen we all are breathing. Okay, so here you will write oxygen. OXYGEN, oxygen. Okay, so everyone write these answers. Number 1 roots, number 2 stem, number 3 seeds, number 4 photosynthesis, number 5 oxygen. Okay, complete it. Then we will start number B. Number B, write yes or no. Okay, here you have to write yes for the correct statement and no for the wrong statement. Number 1, plants never grow under water. So we have got in the beginning only plants are everywhere, above the ground also, under the water also. So plants never grow. The answer will be no. You write N, O, no. Next, all parts of a plant grow above the ground. So this answer will be no, because all the parts are not growing above the ground. Roots are under the ground. So this answer will be no, N-O. Next, plants need sunlight to make food for themselves. Yes, plants need sunlight, okay, with air, soil, water. Plants also need sunlight for preparing the food. So Y-E-S, yes. Next. Number 4, seeds grow into new plants. Yes, you see mango seeds. If you throw a mango seed on the ground, after a few days you will see new plants will grow. So seeds grow into new plants. This statement is correct. So you will write Y-E-S, yes. Number 5, the green colored substance in the leaves is called chlorophyll. Yes, leaves contain a green color substance and that is called chlorophyll. So here you will write Y-E-S, yes. Okay, so number 1 no, number 2 no, next yes, yes, yes. Okay, write it down. Next you see number C. Label the parts of the following plants. Here you have to label. One picture of a plant is given and this blanks are there. You have to label it. So first one you see. This part, it is which part? You can write it yourself also. This is leaves. So here you will write L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Next you see this part, it gives support to the plant and this part is known as stem. S-T-E-M. Now next, it is under the ground, okay, below the ground. Stems are present above the ground and this is this part which is under the ground. This part is known as roots. So here you will write roots. R-O-O-T-S, roots. Okay. Next you see, this is fruit. It is the fruit of the plant. So here you will write fruit. F-R-U-I-T. And these parts are flowers. Okay, plants contain, no, these are all the parts you have got in the beginning only. Flowers. So here you will write F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Okay. Next, turn the page. Next you see, fill in the missing letters to label the process of photosynthesis in plants. So you have to fill the missing letters. Okay. Number 1, you see C, then blank. Then you have to fill all these blanks. So first one, C A R B O N, carbon. Then what? Dioxide. DIOXIDE, carbon dioxide. The next one, WATER, water, and sunlight, SUNLIGHT. So these three, carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight, it makes, okay, these leaves are taking carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Then the leaves are giving what? Here, this side, the leaves are giving food, FOOD, food and oxygen. So these leaves, it is taking this carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight, and with the help of chlorophyll, it makes the food and gives oxygen to the human beings. Okay, so clear? So this exercise, see the video nicely and write it down in your book and learn also. And you will get the question answers also with this video. So learn the answers properly, each and every spellings properly. Okay, so in our next class, we will start the next chapter. Okay, so thank you everyone and take care.